which isn't a surprise. Whoa! Oh my god. Ah! I'm so... God, it's getting harder. As you can see, thank God I have this wrap on. My camera else would have been on fire or electric and stuff. So, I'm gonna face the camera up and see how way I can get, and you guys will get to see 3D. I just had a big drop of water on. I think you saw. I don't know if I did or not. So far, this is Hurricane Irene, and it's turning out, it's getting lower, the rain, but at night I'm gonna come out, it's gonna be even worse than this. This is my bunny. Hi, Cuddles. This is, we forgot to bring her in. We're gonna bring her in when it gets even badder than this. We have a little cage inside. We got an umbrella under her so she's safe and sound. She got water, she got everything. Here's our garden. That usually gets flooded. Daddy long leg. And that's really all. So I'm just gonna add another video to this, and you guys will see how bad it'll get. It's just slowing down right now, but it's gonna get worse. I just know it. Okay, I'm back here on my deck again. I might set up a nice tent. Before I saw a tree bending, I think it fell. Sorry that you guys missed it. The wind should kick up. God. So, yeah. So, 3D raindrops might fall. So, yeah, they're falling. Yeah, most of them are just missing. I really need to put on jeans. It's like a rainforest. You have to bungee up this so the wind doesn't take it. It's gonna be that strong. I weigh more than it, so I'm lucky. And yeah, I might set up that tent. See those crosses? That green one is Shelby, my dog that died, and that yellow one's a cat that died of mine, named Belle. So that's really all so far.